top of the screen, also in the video description. The view looks great here with the road passing between the green mountains.
चलो चल तापस तो हरी पछरे अछन तापस भाई और संबित भाई दी जण पछरे अछन ताले अनुराग माने सब पळी छन बोते
Few riders were already ahead, so we had to stop them. This is the Ghat temple. You can see Balakumari Temple on the top of the hill. Balakumari Temple is present in the Ganjam hill near Chikiti at a distance of 202 km from the state capital Bhubaneswar. An entry gate is present here and the ticket cost is 10 rupees for car or bike. Now we are at the base of the mountain and the view looks so amazing from here. Time for some photo break. Balakumari Temple is present in the Ganjam hill near Chikiti at a distance of 202 km from the state capital Bhubaneswar. Ramaguda is the nearest village to the temple. While searching on Google Maps for the temple, you have to search for Maa Balakumari Temple Chikiti, otherwise it points to the temples in the Nepal if you search only by Balakumari Temple. The road ahead is the newly constructed 2 km long ghat road to the mountain top, and the other option to go is via the 1272 steps. There are other such temples in Odisha like the tiredness and temple, but you don't get a clear view there. As per the bridge, the temple was founded in year 1881 by then King Keshav of the Chikiti god. The deity is a form of the Shakti Devi Maa Durga and is considered to be a girl child of 10 years old. It is said that one day morning, while the king was going to offer prayers to Maa Durga at the Budagiri god, he saw a girl child alone in the hills and he could not recognize that it was the Durga Devi herself. Later, Durga Devi came in his dream and reminded him of the events in the morning and told about her wish to getting worship in the same hill in the same form as he has seen in the morning. After that, the king founded the temple and is known as the Balakumari Temple. We have reached the top of the mountain and the view looks so amazing from here. It must be helping the then king taking view of the activities very far away. Wind was blowing at a very high speed at the top of mountain and it was making difficult for the drone flying. Later on, we moved to the back side of the temple where we could fly the drone. kilometers from this temple, and the Kothari Maa temple is still there. Considered to be an active deity, and people come here to keep their wishes near the goddess. They put bangles in the red cotton and tie it on a tree next to the temple. Special pujas are done every Tuesday and Sankranti days each month, apart from the Navaratra puja during the Asina Shukla Pratipada. This temple has good facility for tourists like toilet, water, replacement shops, solar street lights. I also heard that there is a Pantha Nivas for the overnight stay. Overall, it was a very great experience to come to this place, and you should come here to experience it by yourself. Thanks for watching.